Today we're going biking and I'll bring you guys along. We are just at waterfront. We got ramen. Ooh. It's like kind of like the windows are open so I can like stick my whole head out. And we're just getting some hot dogs. Yes, look at that. Yeah. Is it good?
Whoa.
Yeah. Here's my bike, y'all. Here's my bag. Just enjoying the view. So pretty here. I have my hair up. We're taking a break, and then we're on like a beach. Do you want to show everyone your hat? It's a flamingo hat. This is his new shoe. Take a look. And this is my new shoe. I wanted the Sambas but couldn't find it, so I bought the Pumas. I get sunburned really easily. He just farted. So this is the fisheye camera right here. Let me show you if it works.
That's your catchphrase.
Yeah. That's my catchphrase, yes. So for the rest of the vlog, I'm gonna be using the fisheye angle. I'm just kidding. Yeah. I'm getting squished. Look at my face. Yeah. Oh, he's trying to be cool. Towards me a little bit. Here's your photos. Kind of cute.
Oh, this one's nice.
Yeah. Let's see the ring I got you. Whoa. Who got you that?
Joanna.
So this is a waffle plate. Look at these waffles. We got the banana brulee because it has like Nutella. And then we also got like McDonald's fries on the side. Oh, looks so good. I'm gonna take the first cut. Is it good? Is it?
Yeah.
I like this one. You're not having any more?
I'll wait for you.
Here, last bite.